You're in charge of this. All right, let's go.
We're about to get on the ship. And I can see the whole ship on the whole entire window. Like up there. You can see the ship
I
from
see it up there.
Yeah, I'm showing the cameraman.
Oh, you're showing the camera.
Yes. That's how we supposed to sit over there instead.
Yep. Hold it steady so they can see you, okay?
Hi, guys.
19.
You're all set.
All right, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Here we go.
Here we go. You can go ahead. Walk ahead. Over.
On the ship. I'm gonna be in the pool, but tomorrow I think.
What's it do? Simple as that.
Oh, I see Rapunzel's
You gotta
tail.
hold it up. Hold it up. So hold it up.
I know it came off.
Yeah, you gotta hold it straight. It's still on. Go ahead.
Camera. Photos on the left side, otherwise stay to the right.
Okay.
Beautiful. There you go.
Take photos.
Come on.
Hello. May we have your attention, please?
What?
Just get cruise line. Look at the shift. And we're use the 1 through 36. And please proceed to the 40.
Wow, we got Goofy. We got Goofy. We got over here. We got Minnie. Over here we got Minnie.
Your money good number has been announced.
And up turn its head, you're gonna see Goofy, which is right here. And then bam! Goofy's up there. And then straight up ahead, we see.
Uh-oh, be careful.
Sorry. We see Donald.
Hey, yeah.
So
Then
It does.
they did that, but
up there. Wait. Whoop. Everybody can see Mickey.
Try to hold it straight like that. Nice.
Wow. So much for this. And we're about to jump this. So everybody gotta hold on tight so we can get on that ship. And I'm also gonna see Mickey and Minnie, which is gonna be at the ship.
Hold it up. They see the floor.
So I can like see Mickey and Minnie, and we're about to head to it. See all the people, right? Yeah. So we're gonna go on that, and we're about to go on. Look how many characters. Look how many characters we got here.
Yeah.
And then here we go.
This is under the gangway. Can I get a count?
There. Here we are. Got right into it.
Sorry about anything.
Don't see some more. And it says Disney Wish. And Yeah, we didn't made it yet.
Oh, really?
Good cruise, y'all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we start for a line.
Good acting.
Yes.
You doing it.
I'm doing this job.
People down there. And then we see the water here. A submarine. That looks like submarine, right? Yeah, this is submarine. This is what's on it. You can't see. And we're about to get on the ship. I'm just so excited. And we're about to get on the ship.
Somebody is a thing.
Get pumped up.
Oh yeah.
Look at me. Get pumped up.
I say, get pumped up.
Get pumped up.
Get pumped up.
Wait, the camera.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
All right.
Okay. We're about to get on the ship. Okay.
Hold it straight up. Because they're going to say your name and you know what fact. I'm not telling you. Wait. Listen. You gotta wait. Make sure you hold it straight up.
Stay together.
And look.
That way.
Timothy.
Wow.
The number 4 back there.
4, yeah.
Brandon.
Yes.
Look at the difference. Wow.
You love it?
Yeah.
They got to say your name, okay?
Uh-huh.
They're going to say your name.
Does he wish please welcome the Chaplin family?
They're gonna say Parker's?
Yeah. You can tell them.
Hello, what is your family's last name?
Does he wish please welcome the
Stella.
Pongo.
Parker?
Sorry, please. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Please welcome the family.
That's Cinderella.
Oh, welcome.
Cinderella.
Does he wish please welcome the Malone family?
Oh my goodness, show them.
Does he wish please welcome the Gust family?
Wait. I'm gonna wait here for
Does he wish please welcome the Cumming family?
Let me record you now. What do you think?
Does he wish please welcome the Cummings family?
Yeah. Okay. Let's see a bit on it. Wait, I see Moana's boat.
You do. Hey, who's that up there?
Yeah.
That's Belle?
Yeah.
That's
cool. I give it to you so you can report now.
Okay, thank you. So it's my turn now. So this is the end of Samaya's vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye.